Hello guys, today I will discuss about gene silencing process. Gene silencing process will silence the particular genes act as bad functioning, malfunctioning. If DNA have error in their base pairing, then which further transcribe into error mRNA, so these will further translated into malfunctioning proteins. Hence, gene silencing stops the function of bad genes. For example, two strands of the DNA are joint complementary. A is joined double bond to T, G joined with double bond C. Normal DNA. After the mutation, other unfavorable conditions create A joint complementary to C, Z joint complementary to T. His is an abnormal DNA. He is further transcribed into mRNA. He have also abnormal base pairing and he is further translated into the proteins. This protein non-functional. So by this technique of gene silencing, we can silent remove the mispairing genes base pairing, so we can treat by two methods: gene knockout, gene knockdown. Gene knockout is a process he exclude the abnormal gene from the mRNA DNA. Completely knockout. Gene knockdown he suppress the expression of abnormal gene in mRNA. Type of RNA participate in this treatment: siRNA, small interference RNA, miRNA, microRNA. Protein involvement in this complex. Rich complex RNA induced silencing complex is have slicin, argonaute, dicer and DROSA. Then next the process double standard RNA 5 prime to 3 prime, 3 prime to 5 prime are complementary joints is also called siRNA. Include dicer RNA 3 type of proteins is create overhang 5 prime 5 prime. Further, we include rich complex RNA induced silencing complex. I have slicer argonaute. Argonaute and slicers bind to each other upon the DNA. Double stranded RNA. Argonaute acts as a RNase type of proteins cleaves single stranded RNA. Single stranded RNA cleave out and remaining one stranded have argonaute and slicer is also called guide RNA. Guide RNA bind to target RNA. Target RNA means which have problem in their functioning, like mRNA is target RNA have the problem bad genes within. Guide RNA bind to target RNA mRNA with argonaute and slicer you know that are not clip the single stranded RNA, then target RNA will be clipped out into two strands, first and second, and guide RNA is also clipped out. And these two clipped RNA further is degraded, yeah, is the paired to each other and form double stranded RNA. So guys, is ended now. I will also discuss the question related to that in next video. Thank you.